Hey everyone, Tracy here. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. I came onto YouTube this morning and I noticed that my creative studio is not where it used to be, where you can come right here to where the face is and click on this area and be able to go to your where all your videos at. I forgot what they call it, video manager or whatever that is. So what I'm going to do, we are going to sit here and travel on here until I can find out where this is at. And so I want to take y'all along with me because I know some of y'all probably is having this same problem. Like, okay, so where in the world? So we're going to go here to Google and I'm just going to type in where to find video manager. I think that's how it, yeah, video manager on YouTube now. So I'm just going to put that in there. Okay, so this is supposed to be something that's going to walk us through. Now we know the video manager is where all you, if you are a YouTube person that do videos and everything, you have like a list of videos that you do. You have that long list of videos that you've done and placed on YouTube. Okay, so they have been moving some things around. So now it's just time to find out. Okay, so where is it? So I want to go. It said how to use the video manager. No, I want to know where it's at. I know how to use it. It's what y'all done with it. Where is it? I don't see it. Oh my goodness, what am I going to do? Okay, so how do I get to video manager on YouTube 2019? Okay, so it's a video manager. Where did it go? Right, exactly. That's what I like to know. That's what I like to know. Let's see what it says.
Click on it. We still have access to the old video manager, but perhaps you could do it sometime.
Okay, so okay, did anybody okay. First of all, I'm not trying to make fun of this person, but you got a heavy accent and I cannot understand what you're saying. I need to move on to someone that I can understand what they are saying. Sorry. Okay, so let me just let's move around and see can I find something else. Something needs to give me a better, clear understanding here. Okay, do respect the people content. Isn't this the same person? Messy. So you mean to tell me this person is the only one that has came out to even say anything? Okay, well let's just find something and read. Where do I find my videos on YouTube? Sign into the YouTube Studio Beta. From the left panel, select the Videos tab, Studio Beta. Oh, okay. See over here? Okay, we're gonna go here. Oh, God. Okay, now this really got me kind of upset. I'm like, what in the hell these people have done with my stuff? Like, y'all playing too much. Okay, now I guess it said go over here on the left side. It says from the left panel, select the Videos tab or search for your video with the search bar. Okay, we're going to, okay, Video tab. Oh, so this is it. Oh, so they got it in a whole new different place, y'all. Okay, so at least I found it. Okay, so I'm like, this is crazy. All right, so this is it. This is a new place where they'll put your videos. So basically, what you have to do, I'm gonna try to go to something altogether different. I want to try to do this all again before I get off of here. So I'm gonna switch to, we're gonna go on YouTube. Okay, right here, and then you're gonna go here, and you want to go to the YouTube Studio Beta. We're gonna make sure we got this correct. Okay, go to the YouTube Studio Beta. Okay, once you go there, then you're going to hit this right here on the left hand side where it says videos. Then you'll hit there, and yeah, then you want to go to YouTube Studio Beta, hit here, and boom, that's it. So I hope that this helped you guys out. It sure helped me. Thank you so very much. And if there's any comments or questions, post them in the comment section of the video. Once again, if you have not subscribed to my channel and this is the first thing that you're viewing on my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let me see, can I find it for you? But I'm pretty sure that it will be a subscribe button that you will see on the channel. Will tell you it's not going to show me because this is my channel. But anyway, as you can see, this is my blog channel. So if you want to subscribe to that, go ahead and hit that too and be subscribed so that way you can catch me on either channel. I don't know. I might bring that channel back out with something brand new on it. I'm just still got some things in the works, y'all. But after I got up and seen this, I'm like, where is all my videos at? I was about to really freak out. So if anybody else was going through that, I hope that I helped you out. So if there's any questions, comments, post them in the comment section. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell if you see it, which will be right next to the subscribe button. And I look forward to seeing you soon on what? The next video. So I'll catch y'all later. Bye.